In this video I'm gonna show you how to cut video on Inshot Video Editing App. It's also known as trim and split. To learn it, watch the whole video. First, open your Inshot Video Editing App. Tap on Video. Then tap on New. From here, select your video. Then tap on check mark. After that, your video will be imported in Inshot Video Editing App. After that, you have to select the area that you want to cut. Then tap on Split button. After clicking the Split button, your video will be split into 2 parts. Now select the last part as far as you want to cut. Then again tap on Split button. Again, your video will be split into 2 parts. Now select the middle part that you just cut. After select the middle part, then tap on Delete icon from the Tools row. That part has been deleted. Following this simple procedure, you can also cut your video by Inshot Video Editing App. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the full video.